What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs, and today is a very special day. Here at our HQ in Boyertown, Pennsylvania, right out in our shop, we have a 2006 Chevy Silverado Duramax. Now, this is a lot of people's daily drivers. A lot of truck enthusiasts love this truck and that Duramax engine, especially this one. I'll flash up some clips of the engine bay right now. I think it's pretty amped. What we've done with the exhaust system is revolutionary to all diesel platforms. Today we are launching our 5-inch universal muffler for the diesel truck applications. Now this muffler is a lot larger than our other universal lines, but you get that 5-inch diameter like all the truck enthusiasts like to have for that optimal flow. And if by chance you have your truck deleted, this is gonna be the perfect solution to mitigate the drone, have your deleted truck still sound good with the valves open and the valves closed, and have that flexibility that diesel trucks never really have had. And today, this is gonna be a pretty amped video. We're gonna do startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations, and you're gonna get to sit inside with Nate and I as we showcase to you what is truly the best exhaust experience for one of these diesel trucks. Let's get right to it. Duramax with the universal muffler. We got the valves open right now. Very dramatic. But as soon as it's like all you hear is intake noise now. This is something that we've wanted to develop for such a long time, and I'm so happy that we were able to showcase this to you, and that we finally have developments finished, because this is such a transformative experience for so many people. There's such a huge crowd, such a huge audience for all of these diesel trucks that are all deleted and, deleted. And yeah, I'm amped. I'm really excited. You guys are gonna get to hear this thing go down the airstrip. It's gonna be really cool. Another thing we'd like to showcase to you, we have the windows up and the valves open right now, but if we close the valves, immediately you get that difference, that sound difference. It's not as droney in the cabin. I can whisper to you. And we are in a fully straight piped, deleted, dirty Duramax. I don't know how else to explain it to you guys. That, I mean, this is like truly revolutionary for somebody who deletes their daily and, you know, wants to still drive it every day and not go crazy because of all of the drone. You know, so I'll open them up right here, take off. And all you get is intake noise now because of that ridiculous intake that the owner has on this vehicle. But it is a lot more fun with the valves open. that, everybody, is the ultimate experience for your Duramax, your diesel, whatever you end up having. The universal muffler is truly for you. We were really impressed with how this project and development came together. Obviously, this truck is deleted, assuming that yours will be as well. We've done a ton of research and development on how to optimize the valve technology to make sure that all of the soot and debris that's obviously coming out when you're rolling coal down the highway is not going to gunk or clog up your valves. So we're very excited with this development. We're very happy, and we've been testing on this truck for quite some time now, and it's worked out flawlessly. If you'd like to get a universal muffler for yourself, for your truck, go head over to valvetronic.com, where there's either going to be a wait list available or it's going to be in stock on our shelves ready to go. And if you have any other questions about if it'll fit your truck, please reach out to us at valvetronic.com through our live chat, or you can call the phone number for our sales/customer service team, who are actually in that window right there, ready to take care of you. And to end things off here, additionally, we are doing a free merch giveaway. All you have to do to be entered into this giveaway is subscribe down below and leave a comment. That's it. We're gonna be picking somebody every single video who's gonna end up getting a free merch pack with a shirt like this. So if you want one, now's your time. Go drop a comment down below, and stay tuned for our next truck project, where it might not be a diesel, it's definitely a gasser, and it might be a Ford. Stay tuned.